balcony stateroom. As soon as you open the door, the bathroom is on your right. I love these glass doors for the showers. Bathroom, one sink, very spacious. Nice card from our stateroom attendant. Cabinets under here. More cabinets up here. Little cubbies, love it. Love all this extra storage. More cabinets, here's our hanging stuff. And on this side, we have some drawers and the safe. Love seat, sofa here. Some more drawers underneath. Here's our fridge. Keep it cool. Box for electrical usage. If you use this water, you'll get charged $7. Celebrity today. Little desk area. Side table. Cubby holes next to the bed. There are USB outlets. We have our two beds pushed together. On the other side is another little cubby hole built into the wall. And here's our beautiful sunset veranda. We'll be spending a lot of time here. We have two loungers, a table, and two chairs. Sunset veranda.